Everyone, welcome back to ICAP. We're back. Good thanks to the video. They fixed it. Okay. Probably them too. And because of the hurricane and all that, now everybody getting back to normal. We have some bad news. Another hurricane being formed right off the Gulf of Mexico, heading to Florida, with the edge here. How many times Florida had to be hit? It's sad. Excuse me, that's sad. Alright, remember ICAP? You gotta make sure it's tight. That to preserve history in the battle. Same concept. To preserve history and show from the beginning to the end. Hi, I'm Marco. They tell history of the business from the beginning to the end of that business. From opening to closure. Or merchant to solve. Or the product. Okay, bringing a product this weekend at the Beat Eat Snowmobile Show in Syracuse, New York. At the State Fairground. You better hurry up. Go see it tomorrow. Last day. I know it's so short. Friday evening, all day Saturday, Sunday to early afternoon. That's the way it is. With only two brands now. That's Polaris and that's Skidoo. Used to be Archeology. Archeology will not be there this year. I don't know why. I think I know. How many slots Archeology being ordered and sold at the late spring? I think it was in June. Yeah, June I found out only 3,600 snowmobiles sold in Archeology. They gone right back to square one. The same number they had the first year coming back from bankruptcy in 1983 for the 1984 models. Exactly 40 years ago, 41 years ago. Same year I graduated from high school. Yeah. Well, those days I will never forget. It was looking bleak for me at that day because I wanted to work in the snowmobile company. It's getting really bleak. That year, Kawasaki was gone. Yeah, the last year of it. John Deere too. Both gone. So that makes it down how many brands that those days. Yamaha, Skidoo, along with Moto Ski at the time. Still had Moto Ski until 1985. And Polaris. That was it. That was Snowmobile Darkest Hour. Then it peaked up there again with the return of the cat. 1995. The silver era, golden era was from 68 to 73. Slow slide out. This way, sorry. Slide down. Then it came back up again. Came up slowly, came down. Way down. And I saw year by year the last 20 years. Yamaha that much sled sold. Only like 1,500 sleds. That's bad. Skidoo, Blast, Arctic. That Arctic way down. It's bad. Now that Yamaha gone with Arctic, it helped Arctic. Now that's gone. Arctic. I know that textile. It's John Deere gonna buy them. I haven't heard anything ever since. Nothing. They went at the heyday. No John Deere. Nope. Get reporters and bloggers, thought that they were expecting, oh, John Deere got to be there this year, heyday in September in Minnesota. Nope. It was very quiet with the heyday this year. Where are the heyday in the news and stuff? Nope. Not until after. Oh. It's the other cat, dip it a little smaller. The other thing, same size. There's too many aftermarket, of course. I never saw the map before. Oh, well, it's pretty big. It's not big as it used to be the AT show in Brockville, New York, which used to be used in one spot. Now it's spread out. Not big anymore. Like 2 roads now for that same orientation. The other, it's like him and all the fish following the whale. That's what I'm talking about. And with the BE Snowmobile show going down. I remember 1973, I think. 1973. October. 73. That's 51 years ago. I went with my brother and my father to the Snowmobile show. I heard about it. I told him, I want to go see it. We went into Center Park with Billy in New York State Fairground. You know what that is? That's the big long building with the arch. Building is called Sacramento Arch. Because it doesn't have any bow tie arch. Nope. Anyway, we walk right in the center where the booth. You buy a ticket, go right in. That's it. Like 3 or 4 brands there. In 1973, I did count it a little while ago. 20 brands I could think of at that year. Because I remember reading Snow Grower and other snowmobile magazines like Racing Rally at the time. They don't publish that one anymore. Then I said, why do 3 or 4 of them there? We didn't stay long, about 10 minutes. And my father wanted to go. Oh, come on, I wanted to look at the other brand. Only saw like 1 or 2. I think he was looking to buy a snowmobile. He did. Bought the 1974 ICAP Panther. He traded in the old 5. I think he did trade in the Air also. Yeah, no, he didn't trade that one in yet. He traded in for the Pantera, along with his Panther. Smart. The more sled, the cheaper it is, because the Pantera was $2,000 in 1976 for the 77 model, my favorite sled. I spoke of that before. It was bad. That was it. Now that story gonna repeat with the BE Snowmobile show. Only 2 brands now. With all the aftermarket, it's gonna come to an end. That. You know why the BE Snowmobile show there in Syracuse? I have to tell you that story. Because of 1973, I was disappointed. I was getting Snow Grower, the prescription, the 70s, or whenever I buy any magazine at the bookstore, like Walden bookstores back then. Yep, remember those guys who were at the grocery store. Oh, by the way, there's no snowmobile magazine down here. I was hoping there were, but I was seeing them online. Thanks to the internet, you can see snowmobile down in Miami. That's what I did when I was living in Miami. I know that's how they say it. Anyway, So I thought back in the 80s, can I remember my father, my father went to sneak peek on the Kawasaki. I saw the brochure that was May. I had school. It was on a Thursday night. I missed seeing those Kawasaki. To be honest, I never saw a Kawasaki. Nope. Never saw one. Nope. Many other brands, I never saw them. There's only we had that Foxtrot, Errant, an Archeology, and a Plot, and Yamaha. Back in the 70s. The BE came around like 90, I think, maybe 88. Around there, I think, 88, 90. At that time, I wrote a letter to Snowgrower. We need a snowmobile show back in there. Maybe you guys could sponsor somebody do something. And then it was like a year or two later, they had the snowmobile show, the BE snowmobile show. Then they changed it to Power Sport, but I still call it snowmobile show. The reason for it called Power Sport because they added alternative vehicles and other motor recreational products. Such as watercraft at the time. I used to get all those sweet bush shorts with the snowmobile, alternative vehicle, watercraft. Although I got the watercraft from the boat show. I used to go to shows every year. That was my way to get the brochures, and that's why I'm trying to sell it. I'm selling the whole thing for $25. When you make the offer, please let me know, okay? I have over 100 bin of 100 brochures each bin. You can figure the math. The 1,000 brochures. Then 75. Make offer. Guy, I'm moving. I can't take it with me. I can't leave it at Syracuse. Alright, back to it. I remember, because of that, I was so happy yet. I did tell somebody at the show, I was the one that offered this idea. They said, oh, they didn't know that. I was the one that bought the BE. Thank you, Snowgrower, for all these wonderful years on the BE Snowmobile Show. I know it's going to draw come to an end soon because there's only 2 brands now. But that Yamaha is gone and Archeology refusing to go because they won't go the last 2 years. They refused to go. I didn't go. Because Archeology was my favorite brand, and I can't believe they won't show up. Because they're the one, I was the one that came up with the show because I want to see it. Now, the last time was I think it was early 2010. I went to it. About 10 years ago. So, yep, that's the last time. Because I went to the dealers anyway. See it and get the brochures right there. Leave. It only take me 5 minutes at 2 dealers. Because 4 brands, 2 per dealer. Archeology with Skidoo. Yamaha with Polaris. That's what they did. Now Archeology's not in that one of the dealers. Yamaha is not the other one either anymore. So there's even one in Syracuse. And that's Skidoo and that's Polaris. That's it. Archeology nearest to the Utica. More towards the Hockomer. That's far. A lot of snowmobilers are upset. They don't want to go buy sleds or do anything that far. Many of them left. Gone. Sad. That brand really sad. Tetraron didn't buy a John Deere have bought a with John Deere. Perfect. Get so many farm equipment dealers everywhere. Get John Deere the big brand. That's a better company to do that. And John Deere should have sold off the snowmobiles. I know, those days it was bad back in the 80s. The timing was wrong. ICAP came back with John Deere lot. 82 was the last model. 82 was the last time they manufactured for the 83. ICAP was just starting up again for the 83. They didn't have, no. They didn't have 83, they had 84. So, it's kind of, they met each other. Could have brought them out. Help out. Oh, my stuff fell. My notebook fell. Alright, that tells me time's up. So that this time of the year, the big eat might be the last one. That. So guys, go to the dealers then. I know, ICAP too far for some of you. I know. This is online. Oh, don't forget the snow deal up in Old Fort in December. Go to that, guys. That's the only chance to go. Go to the snow deal in Old Fort. An hour and a half away from Syracuse in December. It's only 2 months from now. So, make plans on that. Upstate New Yorkers. And for any of you at the East Coast, go up there. Thanks, Snowgoer, for all you have done through these years. And for all of you, have a good weekend. Go Snowmobile!